The HDV500 continues the evolution of the horizontal digital video series of video-based comparators from Starrett. Designed and constructed in a similar style to our traditional optical comparators, the HDV500 allows for the measurement of large, heavy workpieces. Lenses are interchangeable to allow for optimizing the field of view and magnification required for the application. 3 telecentric lenses ranging from 1.4 to 3.0 inch field of view are available. A high magnification zoom lens is also an available option. The large 42-inch video display is not the only difference. Gone also are the need for Mylar overlays. Instead, the part video image can be compared directly to its source CAD file. Powerful profile fitting software overlay option gives discrete data for form measurements when comparing to the CAD overlay file. Different operators doing the same job inspect to exactly the same standard. Accuracy and throughput for optical inspection is raised to a whole new level. An on-screen crosshair tool is also available for manual measurements when desired. This can be translated or rotated for simple part measurement in the field of view. The M3 interface lets you pan and zoom with pinch, swipe, or touch of active part views. With a cursor on the screen, you can capture edge data and determine feature measurements. On-screen controls can adjust surface and transmitted illumination. The M3 runs on the most current Windows platform, which allows flexible data export as well as interface with Excel, many SPC programs, and other general-purpose PC software. Connecting to a network is seamless. System accessories such as rotary indexers and calibration standards are also available. A truly remarkable system, the HDV500 is a major advancement in optical video measurement technology. Please see us on the web or call for more information.